and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Sony SRS XB12 wireless speaker. Now we are looking at the front side of the packaging where in huge bold letters you have the words extra bass, emphasizing the amount of bass that these devices tend to put out. And that's also part of the model name. If you look at the XB, you have a partial imagery of the device. On the other side, you've got a sticker with the pricing as well as the manufacturer's contact information. On the back side, you've got a couple of features being highlighted, namely that this device happens to be rated for IP67 ingress protection. So that makes it waterproof and dustproof to a certain extent. That's why you have the little asterisk. They're also saying that it offers long battery life, going up to 16 hours. That's obviously going to be rated at a certain volume level, not 100%. Then you've got micro USB charging. They offer a little strap for making the device easy to carry around. You've got a speakerphone function, so you can make calls with this particular speaker. And you can pair multiple Sony SRS XB12 speakers or other compatible speakers to get a stereo effect. That's this little feature over here. Then on this side, you've got some important declaration regarding the Bluetooth version that this is using, which is 4.2, as well as the supported codecs, which are SBC and AAC. Aside from that, on the bottom, you've got some additional stickers. There's a little authenticity sticker on the top side, so you should always ensure that this is not cut open or tampered with. We've obviously opened this, which is why you can see it's not intact. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. First thing, or rather the only accessory, happens to be the charging cable. This is a really thick, nice quality charging cable that's about 45 to 50 centimeters long. It uses a USB, or rather a micro USB interface on the charging end. On the other end, you have the common USB type A interface. Again, the durability is something to write about. Aside from that, you just have some documentation. First being a little warranty service coupons, or rather a couple of coupons along with the warranty card. They should also have the warranty terms, serial number, and everything. So when you're purchasing this, obviously go through this to understand exactly what is covered and for how long. That is always important. And the Amazon store page will have clear listings as well as detail of the actual warranty period. Then you have the little user manual for the Sony SRS XB12. Again, read through the user manual to understand what all is covered and for how long. And if there are any features that you should be aware of, that'll also be given out there. Then you have a quick start guide. Again, supremely handy. It gives you different ideas of how you can go about charging it, how you can pair it with a smartphone or any other device, and if you have multiple speakers, how you can pair the two together to get that stereo effect. And lastly, this is speaker. As you can see, you've got a mesh grill on the top with the driver visible on the inside. The outside is completely black with the rubberized matte finish. You've got the Sony branding, which is quite loud and clear. And at the bottom, you have little openings. This is to ensure that the bass reproduction is not affected. And the foot also has a little rubberized mat or surface, you could say, to not mess around with the audio signature. So if you're placing it on a hardwood surface or any hard surface, you won't get that chattering that is usually present if you don't have a rubberized feet. Then the buttons are on this side. You have the power button, volume increase, volume reduce, play pause, and then the button to add multiple speakers or pair multiple speakers to get that stereo effect. Lastly, you've got a couple of indicators as well as a little opening for the microphone. Then you've got an adjustable strap, which makes it handy to carry the speaker around. Aside from the controls, you also have a little opening which opens to showcase the charging port on the left hand side, which is the micro USB interface, followed by a little pinhole for resetting the device. And lastly, you have an audio in 3.5 mm jack as well. So that's it for the unboxing of the Sony SRS XB12 extra bass wireless speakers. Thank you for watching.